Hey, welcome back to Crapshoot Creations. Today we're going to talk about washout. We're doing a washout day today. And instead of using some professional textile, expensive liquid stuff, we actually use Dawn dish detergent. Best stuff in the world. How do you say I know this? Well, we've been using it for over a year or so. And look, it says right here from Dormer. Dewey, come in here a little bit and check this out, what it says up here. If you don't have anything, use Dawn dish detergent. So you can go out and get your expensive textile professional cleaner stuff. We use Dawn. You can actually go out and get some laundry detergent. Look, this one does 33 loads. It's about $8. Really? You kidding me? Come on. You go out here and you buy a big bottle like this at your local grocery store. Dawn dish detergent, $8. This will do a thousand loads or more. And you need a couple squeezes. Check this out, Dewey. Come in here. Look, give it a couple squeezes. That's it. We're good to go. Shut the door. We're washing out.